Hey everybody, good morning. Oh my lord. Okay, so I am confused. I don't know. It's my board. There's not a date on this thing, so I have no idea about the date. It has a screw down here. But what is confusing I don't remember these, but give credit where credit is due. It could be me, but I don't think so. Although it does have my wires on here. I have no date. I don't know how long ago it's been. All the tuning seems to be the same. Looks like it may have had, or I was going to put something here, tuning tube, but I didn't. I used this, which I do most of the time. But it's not my labeling, front or back. The switches look like mine. This is, it's got on off on it. This is mine. So, I don't know what the hell's going on here. This is all me. I would do this. It's like my caps. It's like my key circuit. So this is the out on this side. And this is the in. And the fans are not mine. So, the builders obviously changed the fans, or I don't know what's going on here. It's soldered. I must put them in here. I mean, I kind of remember this, but the wires were running here at one time. So, I don't know. If you look at the bottom, it's never had any super nights in it. So, I'm confused. I'm totally confused. All I know is it's burnt slap up. That's all I know. Maybe I give my buddy a call and see what's up, what happened here. I'm sure he remembers. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna change them out to C's. Get the regular ones out of here. 1, 2. That's been blown up before. So before this time, but this time it got burnt slap up. So we're gonna take these out, put C's in it. I'm gonna change this tune right here. This gap here. No, that's a 150. Darn. Okay. I have no clue what's going on here. This is the way I run my bus. My wire to the bus is a 2-pin section. And yeah, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I got to go ahead to do it, and we're gonna get it done. It's cold as hell here. We didn't get no snow, but it's cold. Back at Amps. Hope y'all have a great weekend. We're gone.